Hey my doll baby, so I was asked to do a hair video for this hair company called Elemo Hair. Yeah, so this is the wig. I bleached the knots. I colored it in the front. I don't know why I did it. Don't ask me why, I just did and I like it. And yeah, this is a 360 wig, deep wave, 14 inches of love. So right now I'm cleaning my forehead with alcohol because homegirl decided to wear makeup for this video. Okay. I actually put some lashes on, y'all. I did good. So right now I am applying some got to be glued spray to maintain my little fuzz ball going on here. You know what I'm saying? And to protect my hair as well. As well, y'all know I'm going to use that boho skin protector to protect that skin and that sweat, because I want to keep this wig on for a few. And now I'm going to use my boho active. Yes, I'm going to use my fingers this time. I know y'all used to seeing me use the tool, but I'm going to use my finger. I'm going to take the instructor's advice, and it came out good. Which it always come out good, but I like the finger method. I guess I can only do it on myself. But anyway, you want to do nice light layers. You don't want it to get bulky, and you see how quick that clear? So now we're going to apply the Elemo wig. This 360 deep wave, 14 inches. Yes, apply that on. Apply. And then I'm gonna cut the sides off. You wanna carve around the ear so you get a nice flush install. As you see I'm doing here, I just carve that out and cut around the ear. And as I cut, I lay, like I cut and I stick it down, because as you cut, you know, the hair could lift up, so you want to stick that down, make sure it's laid. Now I'm going to use my eyebrow razor. So I'm going to cut and stick. So it's like, you know, keep it in your head. Cut and lay. Cut, lay, cut, lay. So yeah, that's just my method. And I'm gonna take out some baby hairs, and I'm going to pluck some hair out. As you know, I don't like the front of my head bald. I don't like that look. So I'm gonna take out a little bit of baby hairs and, you know, just pluck out a decent amount, you know. Yeah. And then I'm gonna just put that baby hair out, and I'm going to use that Nairobi mousse, and we're going to lay that down a little bit. Then we're going to use some got to be glued spray and spray over that. And then I'm going to use that Taylor Crown lace tint boho edition in caramel. That's my favorite one. And we're going to tie her down with that Flamboyant Touches head wrap. Okay, this one is actually made for sweat, but I like how it just holds the lace down. I'm not sweating or anything, so I just like using it. Yeah, so if you want one, just hit me up. And as you can see, I brush the baby hair back so it gives me more natural look. So no baby hairs. But I just like the little flyaways that it gives when you wear curly hair. That's why I like doing baby hairs. And yeah, this is the natural look right here. I am loving it. Parts are clean. As you know, I didn't wear a cap because my hair is like the color of a cap anyway, so it was no need. Plus I'm bald headed right now by choice. By choice. Anyway, just get into this hair. I love the way it looks when it's curled up. I also like the way it looks when it is dry. So yeah, and that lace is melted, baby, melted. Okay. Who she thinks she is? Anyway, let me just show you how this look when it's up in a bun, and you know the back is not glued because I ain't got no hair or sewed. So yeah,